Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ferrari SF90 in Forza Horizon 5. This incredible hypercar is a fan favorite, known for its speed and handling. Unlike many other vehicles, you won't find the SF90 available for purchase in the standard auto show. Instead, you'll need to participate in special seasonal events or look for it in the Forzathon shop. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this amazing machine to your garage. The most common way to acquire the Ferrari SF90 is by participating in the Festival playlist. These are weekly challenges that offer exclusive cars as rewards for reaching certain point totals. You'll need to check the current season's playlist to see if the SF90 is featured. Completing various races, PR stunts, and challenges will earn you points, bringing you closer to unlocking this fantastic vehicle. Make sure to complete all the required objectives before the season ends. Another potential avenue is the Forzathon shop, which sometimes offers rare cars like the SF90. You'll need to earn Forzathon points by completing daily and weekly challenges to make these purchases. Keep an eye on its inventory, as it changes regularly. Additionally, the auction house is a player-driven marketplace where you might find an SF90 listed by another player. Be prepared to bid competitively, as these cars can fetch a high price due to their rarity. To maximize your chances of getting the Ferrari SF90, always stay informed about the latest in-game updates and seasonal events. Follow official Forza Horizon channels and join community forums where players often share information about upcoming rewards. Persistence is key, as it might take a few seasons for the SF90 to reappear. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Happy racing, and good luck adding this incredible car to your collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.